A very warm good evening to all the parents, all the NEET UG 2026 aspirants from across the globe and who are looking to study MBBS in state of Gujarat. This is a complete guide for candidates who are looking to take NRI admission in state of Gujarat. Okay, so without wasting any time, we move ahead. Okay, so these are the colleges we have in Gujarat. Basically, these are GMERS as well as municipal corporation colleges as well as government colleges. So you can see GMERS Medical College Navsari has a fee structure of 25,000. GMERS Medical College Raj Pipla has 25,000. Morbi again has 25,000. Narendra Modi Medical College Ahmedabad has a fee structure of 42,000 USD. And Godhra again, it has 25,000. So I won't read out all the colleges, but you can take a screenshot, and these colleges probably ranges from every college ranges seats from 15 to 38. Some colleges have 15 NRI seats. Some colleges who have a big intake of more than 250 might have 38 seats, or even there will be colleges having 200 seats might have 30 seats. Okay, and they have NRI quota, management quota, and government quota, all the seats. Okay, basically GMERS are semi-government colleges. Okay, and these are the colleges where normally NRIs prefer to study, especially GMERS Gandhinagar as well as Ahmedabad is where the candidates do prefer to study. Ahmedabad, I mean to say GMERS Medical College Ahmedabad, Sula, or Gandhinagar. These are the favorite destinations for NRIs. Okay, so now these are self-finance colleges. If anybody is looking precisely for location-based private colleges, you can always consider these as colleges which are generally not preferred by NRI. If some NRI are preferring a medical college in a particular location where there's a private medical college, GMERS is not available, and they want to make them study over there. So these are the private colleges. And moving ahead, what are the eligibility and guidelines for MBBS NRI quota in Gujarat? Now, only actual NRI are eligible, like a candidate who has completed his studies from abroad and his parents are NRI is eligible. If the candidate has completed his 11th, 12th, or 10th from anywhere in India, but the parents are residing abroad, either of one parent, it may be mother or father, and they are NRI, then also you are eligible. And if you are an NRI OCI, okay, and if you belong to state of Gujarat, OCI, in case of OCI and PI, you are eligible. Okay, so preference of order of admission. First, they will prefer the candidates who are originally belonging to the state of Gujarat, and second preference will be given to candidates originally belonging from other Indian states or union territories. The NRI process fees is 10,000 rupees, which you have to carry in form of DD at the document verification center. First, you need to register with the medadmingujarat.org. And after registration, you have to take a date of document verification date. Okay, and while registration also, you'll be required to pay 11,000 fees. 1,000 will be application fees, which is non-refundable, and 10,000 will be a security deposit fees. So for NRIs, it is 11,000 at the time of registration and 10,000 while you go for document verification. Okay. While doing the registration, you can pay the fees online, but during the document verification, you need to go with a DD. Now, what are the documents required? This is an outline documents we are giving. Actually, there are a lot of documents you need to carry, 2 sets. In fact, the document verification in Gujarat is very, very, very strict. So kindly follow all the protocols. These are the documents we are giving you an outline, which is NEET UG scorecard, NEET admit card, passport, old if in case it is renewed in 2026, proof of relationship between that you'll be requiring sworn affidavits or relationship certificate between you need to establish a family relationship Okay, class 10, 12 documents, bank statement copies, okay, as well as physical fitness certificate, that also we call medical certificate. Okay, so this is an outline. You will require a lot of notaries and attestation. When you register with us, we provide you with complete list, complete guidance. Do not worry, we'll give you a complete guide on that. Okay, now, step-by-step procedure we come. First, you need to go and register on the official website. Okay, so you have to purchase a PIN, and after purchasing the PIN, you can online register yourself and then take a date of physical document verification, which is normally in Ahmedabad, and you can after completing your document verification, there will be a separate NRI list. Okay, and this will be based on NEET ranks only. Okay, and after that, the candidate fills his choices under NRI, and then it will be seat allotted, and then you can finally go and report to the college. Okay, so important notes for 2026. Kindly make sure the document verification. Gujarat is one of the strictest. I, I found Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Karnataka very strictest. Okay, and here you do not have to mail it like MCC. Okay, you do not to change your category from Indian to NRI. No need to worry about that. While doing the registration, you need to apply under NRI quota. And kindly make sure that you do not change your mobile number or email ID once you have done the registration. A lot of times Gujarat has this habit, Gujarat government has this habit of putting you an email and asking for further extra documents also. So make sure you do not change your email address and phone number. And the place for document verification, as I told you, Gandhinagar, it is near Ahmedabad only. That is GMERS Medical College. Okay. So this was about Gujarat NRI quota, and I'm your counselor Navin Harjwani, and I've been in this industry since 19 years. I've been providing honest and very genuine guidance to NRI parents from GCC countries, from parents from Malaysia, Singapore, as well as Australia, Canada. So if anybody is looking for comprehensive guidance on NRI quota admission in state of Gujarat, you may definitely contact us on the numbers mentioned on your screen. The numbers are mentioned in description also, as well as we are putting a WhatsApp channel link. You can join us there, and kindly do visit our website. We have two websites. One is completely data-driven website where you can check cutoffs from across the country for across quotas, across categories, be it MCC counseling or any state counseling. You can visit neetadmission.in. And for NRI candidates, we have a separate website, specialized website portal, which is NEET, which is NRI NEET UGPGadmission.com. You can visit this for. You can also check our Google reviews, what people have to say who have availed our services. So thanking you all for investing time and watching this video. God bless you all. And if you require anything, any guidance related to the admission under NRI quota across India, you can always give us a call. Thank you. God bless you all.